Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find system and updates. Then let's tap on this reset option, and at the top we've got the option I'm looking for, so let's tap on reset all settings, and here your device is informing you what it will be reset, so network settings, fingerprints, face data, and lock screen password. So just tap on reset all settings, and this operation cannot be undone, so be aware and tap on reset all settings. And now simply wait until this operation will be accomplished. Your phone may need to be restarted, so everything is alright. As you can see, it will also change the wallpaper and other settings like the screen timeout. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.